What if you could try openSUSE or Ubuntu or Fedora without having to burn a single USB stick or without touching your computer whatsoever? Well, that's exactly what this website does. It's called DistroSea, and it runs full Linux desktops inside your browser. And let me show you exactly how it works. So DistroSea is a website that runs a real live Linux session on a remote server, and it streams the desktop straight to your browser. It's the same idea as watching a video call, except what you're looking at is an actual working Linux desktop that you can click around and use. Under the hood, it's built on virtual machine tooling, and it streams the screen over to you. So there's nothing to download, nothing to install on your end whatsoever. You get well over 50 distributions to pick from. Everything from the big names like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, all the way through to openSUSE, Arch, and some proper niche ones like Haiku and ReactOS, if you're curious what's out there beyond the mainstream Linux. Best part for anyone who's watched the last two videos on this channel, openSUSE is on there. But if you want to try before you install and see roughly what you're signing up for, then you can do just that. So let's take a look at a couple now, and I'll show you how easy this is to work. Now, you can do this as a free user. The website is completely free. You don't have to log in, but if you log in, you get a little bit extra performance from the PC, and you also get a little bit longer time using it. So it is worth registering just for free anyway, because I think you get slightly better performance. So why don't we pick one, and let's see. Now, obviously, we've done openSUSE a lot on this channel. So what's one more go, eh? As you know, it's my favorite. So openSUSE, let's click openSUSE. Now let's pick. I'll tell you what I don't do. I don't really use GNOME much. So let's do Tumbleweed and we like it GNOME, whichever you want to call it. So we're going to click that. And then it says here, it tells you a little bit about the distribution. And then it tells you where you are on a queue. If you do register, I think this queue is a bit shorter than the free people. So verify you're a human. Yes. Start openSUSE. We're waiting for the queue, and what it does, it's super impressive, by the way. This is a fantastic tool to whoever done this. Bravo to them. You can donate up here, and if you've got some spare cash, then this is a sort of project that saves you so much time if you're just trying to check out one of the new distributions that you've heard of, but you think, oh man, I've got to find a key. Oh, I've got to find an old PC laptop to boot it up on, or a virtual box or whatever. It's incredible. So here we go. Continue. Tumbleweed. We've got the standard boot screen. It's incredible. I still find it. I don't know why I'm so impressed. You know, I've seen this a million times, but it still impresses me. So we're just going to wait for it to boot up. I'm doing this in real time. I'm not going to cut this little bit because I want you to see the time it takes, because, you know, it is still streaming from another PC and booting up the live environment. So it does take a little time. But it's still quicker than burning a USB and downloading a 7 gig ISO. Oh, I forgot it's GNOME. I forgot. Ahoy, this is openSUSE. There you go. Right, okay, so we can click through that if we want to. Click onto the desktop. We've got all the welcome things of everything you have, the instructions on how to swipe, support, and we're in. We can go to the overview menu at the top. We can see our apps, show app. Look at this, it's all here. And we can go, oh yeah, look at this. This is fantastic. Totem, there's a totem player. Look at that. There's the video player. Channels, IPTV. You can just use it. I don't actually know how to use GNOME. Display. I'll change the background. Let's see if we can change the background. We get all dark. We do like a dark theme. Oh, gorgeous. Accent color. Let's go for a snazzy. I don't know what color that is. Oh, it's just red. I thought it was going to be some fancy color. Okay. I don't know where the accent's gone there. Again, I'm no good with GNOME at all, so pardon me for that. Online accounts. I always forget you can connect the online accounts on here. Anyway, so there you go. got the calendar. You've got everything you want. I mean, what else do you need? Look at that. You've got a connection. Very fancy. Settings. Let's have a look around. Now you do get some settings here. So you do get on this on the left-hand side here, you see a little arrow, a little tab. You tab that out and you can go full screen. I'm already full screen, but that takes it to full screen. And you get some other settings that you can check. So if you click that, enable audio, advanced, you can do quality levels if you want to try to show something, a bit better quality. But it's just better than running a live ISO. If you're trying to show someone something, you can actually show them on the hardware here. So there you go. So let's pick another one, shall we? Let's do that. How do you get out of GNOME? Power off. Power off. Lovely. So that proves that works. So let's pick another distribution, shall we? DistroSea. What have I never heard of? Big Linux. Let's do Big Linux. What is that? A Brazilian Linux distribution based on Ubuntu. Okay. What do I want to try? Well, they've only got KDE. Interesting. Portuguese language support. Well, I hope that's support, not fully in Portuguese, because I'll be struggling here. Start Big Linux. All right, let's check it out. And this is the website. I mean, look how smooth this is, and look at the quality. I mean, again, obviously you're seeing a recording of my screen as well here, so you're getting like triple whammy of quality degradation. I can't say that word, but you get the point. Continue. Let's look at Big Linux. Connected. Okay. Again, I'll leave this in real time so you can really see the loading times for this. Because I think it's important to see when people show stuff off and cut out all the loading. It's a bit sneaky, isn't it? So let's leave it all in. Makes the video a bit long. Sorry. Wow, look at this. Search for length. Okay, we're in. United Kingdom, please. Choose your keyboard layout. Yes. Oh, wow. What is this? Desktop layout. Oh, what do we fancy? Next G. Unity. I hate Unity. I don't want that. New. Let's try this one. Oh, what's vanilla? No, we'll try Next G. Dark. Look at all these options. Of course we want dark. So I've never loaded. Oh my God. That made me jump. Wow, that is an image. Look at that. And we're in. That's just the application launcher. Oh, that is nice, isn't it? See, I never would have bothered loading this up because I don't want an Ubuntu-based distribution, but interesting. Oh, it comes with Brave installed. That's the browser I use. That's nice. Activities overview. Okay, it's GNOME, isn't it? So it's not the smoothest. Control center. What does that do? Okay, nice. Well, it's got a nice feel to it. And again, this is just one different layout. So interesting. I'll tell you what, we'll do one more. We'll do something different. Oh my God, how'd you get out of here? There. Shut it down. So that's Big Linux. And let's do one more just so you can sort of see the variety. We'll do another one we've never heard of. Well, you may well have heard of it, but I haven't. Let's go down to, obviously we've got the obvious ones. I'll do something a bit different. Let's not do the standard one, shall we? Linux Lite. That used to be very good. I used to use Linux Lite. Interesting. I'll tell you what I haven't seen. Someone suggested to me Solus. Sorry. Let's do Solus. Let's check that out. Wow, they've got a lot. Plasma XFC. Budgie. I've never used Budgie, so let's go with that latest one and see what Solus says. Verify. Start. Did I click it? No, I didn't. Waiting in the queue. You are position 1. Oh, perfect. Okay. 1 minute. Skip queue and capture internet. I don't know what that is, but it's already gone. So let's check out Solus. Like I said, I have had someone in the comments say that I should check this out and it's an interesting project. I thought this died years ago, Solus, but apparently it hasn't. It's alive and kicking. I don't even know what it's based on. Is it an Arch one? What is Solus? You can tell me in the comments because I actually don't know. I should have read the description while it was loading, but I did not do that. If you managed to read it, let me know. Okay, oh, there we go. So this is just a live USB. Okay, let's look at the menu. I mean, you can't judge a distribution by running the live ISO. Because all you're going to do is what I'm doing. You're going to go, oh, yeah, look, it's got some stuff installed. When it's kind of irrelevant because you can install all this stuff on any distribution. It doesn't really matter. What matters to me is how the updates are run and what it's based on, what packages are available. Because all this is just aesthetic stuff. You know, this is nothing. You can do any of this. Okay, VPN. Okay, so we've got some VPN set up directly into there. That's nice. Multitasking. Background. Okay, we've got a few images on here. This one's got a few more, isn't it? Look. What do you reckon? These are all pretty generic ones. I like the... let me pick it. Oh, okay, there you go. So this one's a bit slower. It's obviously using a bit more RAM, I would assume. I can't close it. Let it catch up. But anyway, but there you go. That is DistroSea. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Have you seen this program before? Are you impressed? I just thought it makes a fun little cool video, and it's a website that you should just keep in your back pocket. Just bookmark it, and next time someone says to you, "Oh, have you checked out, you know, whatever distribution? Checked out CachyOS lately?" You say, "No, I haven't." Load it up in there, have a little look and go, ah, yeah, I don't like that, or I do like that. And you're away. So, yeah, that's the video, everybody. I just wanted to show you because I was so excited when I found it. Especially making these videos. I mean, I'd always try and do it on the actual hardware, but if you're just trying to show someone something or check out what the feel of the distribution's like, you can do that here, which is, I think, is super cool. So let's log out of this. Shut down. Does it actually tell us? Solus is an independent and user-friendly Linux distribution that features a budgie desktop environment. It's designed for desktop use, providing streamlined and visually appealing experience. Solus includes its own package management system, EOPKG, suitable for users who want a curated and cohesive Linux distribution. Okay. Semi-rolling release model, new package updates landing in stable repository. Okay, see, I'm interested in that. I maybe wouldn't have bothered checking it out before. Obviously, you've got your Arches and BlenderOS. I'll just show you all the distributions that are available right now, because obviously this will change over time. NixOS, I get recommended that sometimes. Sparky Linux. Oh, I like that logo. Look at that. That's fancy, isn't it? What's that one? Based on Debian. Oh, that's interesting. It's got a Mate desktop as well, and some other ones. Wow, look at all the versions they've got. Cool. Anyway, if you're impressed with this, then go check it out. Pop OS. Oh, yeah. And please subscribe and like this. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you don't mind. I'm trying to get this channel built up before the big YouTube changes in February. So I'd appreciate any interactions and follows and subscriptions, please. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy your distro hopping, which I've just encouraged. Sorry about that. Until next time, goodbye.